Hey, it's Craig Fisher, and I wanted to share some things with you that might help you with your new work from home situation. It looks like we're going to be doing this for a while, so I wanted to let you know what my setup is for a video studio in your home office. I've got a few things that I use in my video studio that are simple to buy, not expensive, and make your video really pop and look great whenever you have to be camera ready for whatever audience. I'm not endorsing any specific products other than to say that they work well for me, and I'm going to show you where to find them and how to buy them. So here we go. The first major thing that you want to do is get some really good lighting. Lighting is the key. It makes 100% of the difference. So you can see the way I'm lit right now. I have two big studio lights behind my camera, and you can see them right here. And I can turn them on. I have them plugged into a surge protector under my desk, and I can literally flip a switch with my foot to turn them on to be ready to go. I turn the overhead light off, so I only have these bright lights focusing on me right now. I'm going to show you a couple of other options and what it looks like without these big lights. You can purchase a light kit like this on Amazon just by searching Softbox Light Kit. And my lights have 4 bulbs in each. Another option is a light bar. I use this light bar by Bell and Howell. I'll show you the link. And here's what that looks like. I actually use 2 of them, one on either side, behind the camera. This is what your video looks like with desktop lights. This is what your video will look like with just an overhead light on. You can find light bars on Amazon for about 20 bucks. Another popular option is the ring light. And you can find those just by searching ring light or light ring on Amazon. The next thing you want is a really good microphone. My microphone is a Blue Yeti. It looks like this. And it has various settings to capture the whole room, just the front of the mic, just the front and the back. It's a great microphone, and it really makes you sound professional when you're on with a customer. You can search Amazon for Yeti USB microphone to find this one. Another option would be a USB clip mic for about 20 bucks. And finally, it really helps to have a good HD camera attached to your laptop or desktop computer. I use a Logitech HD camera. You can find it here on Amazon by searching for Logitech Pro Webcam. Everything I got for my home office video studio, I ordered on Amazon. It was easy to set up and connect. I hope you find this helpful over the next few months so that you can look like a rock star in your team meetings and with your customers remotely. Stay safe. Cheers.